Imagine a Harvard-trained neurosurgeon, a leader in their field, losing a staggering $2 million in potential revenue. It sounds unbelievable, doesn't it? Someone with that level of skill and dedication, at the pinnacle of their profession, should be thriving. But in today's digital landscape, even the most accomplished professionals can fall victim to seemingly minor online oversights. This wasn't due to a lack of expertise, a malpractice suit, or a declining demand for neurosurgical services. The culprit? A single, easily avoidable error on their Google business profile, a digital misstep that had real-world financial consequences. That headline isn't hypothetical, it happened. It's a real-world example of how crucial online presence is for medical professionals in the modern age. It underscores the importance of managing your digital footprint with the same precision and care that you dedicate to your medical practice. And the worst part? This isn't an isolated incident. The same seemingly insignificant mistake is costing countless neurosurgeons and other specialized medical practitioners a significant number of potential patients and substantial revenue every single day. It's a silent drain, slowly eroding their potential and hindering their ability to reach those who need their expertise. These are patients who are actively searching for solutions, for relief, for the specialized care that these doctors can provide, but because of this error, they're simply not finding them. The impact is felt not only in the doctor's bottom line but also in the lives of patients who are missing out on potentially life-changing treatments. In today's world, when potential patients are seeking specialized medical care, their journey almost always begins online. They turn to search engines, typing in their symptoms, their concerns, and the specific type of doctor they need. They're looking for answers, for hope, and for the right medical professional to guide them. And in many cases, your Google business profile is often their very first impression. It's the digital handshake, the virtual storefront that introduces your practice to the world. It's where potential patients form their initial judgments about your expertise, your credibility, and your suitability for their needs. But there's one critical error, a subtle yet devastating mistake, that's acting as a roadblock, preventing these patients from ever connecting with your practice. It's a hidden flaw that's silently undermining your online visibility and diverting potential patients away from your door, and instead, sending those patients straight to your competitors, to the practices that have taken the time to optimize their online presence and ensure they're visible to the right audience. These are patients who could have benefited from your expertise but are now receiving care elsewhere, simply because they couldn't find you online. The mistake? What is this hidden flaw that's costing medical professionals so much? What simple oversight is having such a profound impact on their ability to attract new patients and grow their practice? It's something that many overlook, a seemingly minor detail that's often dismissed as unimportant. Neglecting to properly categorize your practice within your Google business profile. It's about more than just selecting a single, broad category. It's about accurately and comprehensively representing the full scope of your expertise. All too often, most neurosurgeons simply select the most obvious category, neurosurgeon, as their primary category and then move on, thinking they've adequately described their practice. They believe that this single label is sufficient to capture the breadth of their skills and attract the right patients. They click next, eager to move on to other aspects of their profile, unaware of the missed opportunities and the potential revenue they're leaving on the table. They fail to realize that this seemingly small step is actually a critical component of their online visibility. But Google's algorithm prioritizes specificity. It rewards those who provide detailed and accurate information about their services. The more specific you are, the better Google can understand what you offer and connect you with the right patients. By failing to add relevant secondary categories, you're essentially limiting your visibility and narrowing the scope of patients who can find you online. You're missing out on opportunities to connect with individuals who are searching for the precise services you provide. For example, if you specialize in spine surgery or consider yourself a spine specialist, or if a significant portion of your practice is dedicated to brain tumor treatment and you operate a brain tumor center, or even simply adding neurological surgeon alongside neurosurgeon, you're missing crucial opportunities to connect with potential patients. By neglecting these secondary categories, you're essentially invisible to patients who are actively searching for those specific terms. You're creating a digital barrier that prevents them from finding your practice, regardless of your expertise or qualifications. This single oversight, this seemingly minor detail, can redirect thousands of patient searches elsewhere, sending them to competitors who have taken the time to optimize their online presence and accurately represent their services. Your hard-earned credentials, your years of experience, and your unparalleled expertise mean nothing if patients simply can't find you when they're searching online. It's a harsh reality, but in today's digital age, visibility is paramount. The digital front door to your practice, your Google business profile, remains closed to those who need your specialized care the most, simply because you haven't properly categorized your business online. It's time to unlock that door and let the patients in.